So for your IGTV videos, you make sure that you stay within that 1 minute frame, because for your feed on your post is a 1 minute frame, and for your IGTV videos it's like 1 minute longer, like to like 10 minutes. So on my consequent videos to come, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit precise Instagram videos, like cool edits, clean edits, just on your phone. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's still Teza here, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to film Instagram beauty videos on your phone, guys, on your phone. So I'm going to be sharing my filming secrets, my tips, my tricks, all the old frequently asked questions, the facts I've been asked on Instagram. I'm going to be spilling all the tea in this video. You are definitely going to be surprised by most of the things I do BTS. So guys, sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, grab a drink. So let's dive right into this video, guys. So loves, the first thing I do is actually to set up my phone for it to be appropriate, for it to be stable, for me to be very ready. And another thing I do is I arrange my products. The product basically are going to be used for filming. You make sure it's around you, maybe like on a table along the side. I actually drop all my stuff. So guys, the next thing you have to do is I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually set up my camera in order. You guys are seeing it right now to film, so let's dive right into that. So basically guys, this is a smartphone from someone I'm going to use as an example to show you guys. So all I do is stack up some books, and what I'm actually doing is this is like for on a budget for somebody who doesn't have money to buy a tripod or a ring light. I actually got a ring light, but it's not with me now, it's actually in school. So all you have to do is position your camera on some stack of books, so you arrange it and make sure it's firm. For tip number 1, the first tip I'm going to be giving you guys is make sure that your phone lens is actually very clean. Like when I mean clean it with like any pair of clean clothes, or you have lens solutions you can make use of. So all you have to do is just clean your lens like this. Make sure it's properly clean before you start filming. So next up, guys, for the second one is actually camera movement. So basically what I mean by camera movement is basically how you showcase your products on camera for the brands to see, for people who you are trying to influence to actually see. So I got a pet peeve for people who actually do this on camera. They just do like this and then they remove the product, and you expect me to understand what you're trying to do. That's totally wrong. I hate seeing that on Instagram, and when I see that like on people's explore page, I be like, why are you doing this and moving it? Like I can't even, I'm just seeing the outline of the product. I'm not seeing what the name of the product is, except maybe I've been using that product and I can recognize the packaging. So this is what you have to do. You basically just focus the product and you hold it down for a while for it to actually focus. I don't know if this is actually focusing because I can't see like what my camera is actually doing. So but the trick of this is just hold the product down for like 3 seconds before you remove it down. And another trick I'm going to give you guys is the closer your background is, the hardly it is going to focus. So it's better your background is far away from the subject so that it can easily focus. This is what I mean. Like the product is out of frame now and I'm going to put it in frame. So you guys should watch how it is going to focus after some time. So tip 2, guys, I'm going to actually give you is make sure your object or your products are always in frame when focusing. Don't just do the normal thing, you just put it in frame and out of frame. Hold it longer before you actually remove it. So that's a trip, guys. So next off is background and lighting, guys. You make sure that, as I always say, use a very clear background that is not too distracting from the subject, because presently now I am the subject of this video and me explaining to you guys. So make sure your background is not so clustered with lightnings and all those stuff, maybe like glitters or something not too distracting, so people are actually focusing on you and not on your background, so they can take something out from your video. I hope you guys are following. I hope you're jotting down, guys. Like, this is like a filming on a budget, just because my ring light is unavailable and it's in school, so I just have to set up something to keep me churning out content for you guys. So you make sure you use natural lighting, like that's God's giving gifts of nature, so make good use of it while it's available. Just go to any place close to a window and set up for your video filming. That's basically it, guys. It's not that hard. You don't have to break a bank to film. So loves, going on to the fourth one, guys. All you have to do is, when filming YouTube videos, in order for you to like advance and like for your videos to go really far, you need to do batch filming, guys. And this is what I mean batch filming. Just relax, I'm going to explain. Once you're filming a beauty video properly, you're filming like a whole face tutorial. You can do like, okay, your foundation routine, or you can do the brushes I used to apply eyeshadow. That is like another content. Or you can do the best primers in town right now, or you can do the best moisturizers for oily skin, the best primers for dry skin. There are tons of content you can churn out for your audience. Just stick to your insights and see what your audience actually love, then create videos around it. That is moving on to the next tip, guys. Stick to your niche. Not that today you are posting YouTube videos, then the next minute you are posting me on my way to the market. Like, who cares you're going to the market? Like, nobody is actually going to watch that video, and even though they're going to watch it, those are going to be your die-hard fans, people who that no matter what you post, they're actually going to love your content. But don't try that starting out. Like, I am also starting out, and I don't want you also starting out to make that mistake, because that's totally wrong. So stick to your niche and create content. Not just content, dish out values, push out values to people, and you're going to see the result in turn, guys. Okay, I hope you're loving this content so far. If you are, please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I post the video, so you'll be the first one to know each time I publish a new video. So that's all, guys. Thank you. And moving on to the last tip. So for the last tip, guys, thumbnails, guys. Your thumbnails are very important. These are basically thumbnails. Thumbnails are what you see first before actually clicking a video. That is the best way I can actually explain thumbnails in a layman English. So if you go to your explore page right now and you're scrolling through your explore page to see, okay, people, videos, you see those first images you actually see there are what you refer to as thumbnails, guys. Okay, thumbnails. It's just a great way for you to draw attention to your videos. In order to make your videos stand out on Instagram, you need to do captivating thumbnails that will make people want to watch that particular video. That is a sure way to stand out on explore feed. Okay, that is for you even moving from your feed and Instagram, pushing your videos to explore, because it's not easy to get on explore page, guys. That is where more people will see it, more engagement will come from. Okay, guys, tip, guys, I got an extra tip for you guys, like extra tip, and the tip is hashtags, guys. Hashtags. I can't emphasize this enough. Guys. Hashtags. Like, hashtags can either make or break your video. I see a lot of people just tag success, love, hashtag film. There are tons of people using that hashtags all over the world. You're not just the only one posting videos. So this is a way to use hashtag to your benefit. Use specific hashtag to your niche. In case you're like, I'm under beauty niche right now, so in case I'm posting a makeup video, I'll be like, okay, Nigerian content creator, Nigerian beauty creator, makeup videos for beginners. I get as much specific as possible to the letter T. If you're under filmmaking, for instance, you'll be like, okay, if Nigerian filmmakers or Nigerian storytellers, not just using storytellers or filmmaking. You can do something like, oh, filmmaking in Nigeria. That's more specific. Do you get what I'm trying to say? That's an extra one from me to you. Okay, so now I've come to the end of this beauty tutorial, but before you go, guys, we got a word of the day. And the word of the day, this is just like a medium for me to share new words that I just discovered. And in case you already know the word before I did, you can comment below to let me know. They can be something like a gift to you. You never could tell. So guys, make sure you participate and watch my video till the very end in order to get the word for the day. So the word for today, guys, is known as listomania. That is the word. It's just the feeling or the urge for you to want to listen to music all the time. And if you're a music lover like me, you can comment down below your favorite music at the moment. And very soon, like pretty very soon, I'm going to be dropping my favorite music I'm feeling at the moment. It can be gospel, it can be hip hop, it can be blues, because I'm like an all-rounder, but I love gospel song a lot. I also love blues song. So guys, thank you for watching this video up to this end, guys. I love you all so much. You guys always clicking on my videos whenever you see an update. Thank you so much. Make sure you click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. So until next time, guys, bye guys.